All right, so just for grins now, we're gonna see if the condenser fan motor is running. They don't give us a spec on that, but I bet, given that this is an inverter compressor, it's probably a 12-volt fan motor. This is at pins 1 and 2 on CN4. Let's look up here. This is CN4, little tiny CN4 in there. Believe me, take my word for it. There's also a little triangle up here. That means pin 1. That means this is pin 1, this is pin 2. I'm going to use my same back probes. And there's been clicking and stuff going on right now. All right, and so here we're in pins 1 and 2 on CN4. And there's our 12 volts DC, meaning our condenser fan should be running. And again, it's a very quiet little fan. Hard to tell. There is humming going on here, but I think we've got both the compressor and the condenser fan running. The other thing we're going to check out is the freezer fan motor. And we've got, it's a 3-wire BLDC motor. So the two of the wires are going to be for the DC power supply. The third wire is going to be either your RPM feedback signal or your pulse width modulated speed signal. Don't know which, but what we're going to do, either way, you diagnose it the same way. I'll show you. So we're going to measure our DC power supplies between 13 and 14, should be 12 volts. So we're going to look at that. And again, we're on the same connector, CN4 connector up here, last 3 wires, 13, 14, 15. 13 to 14 is my DC power supply. And look at my meter, there's my 12 volts. All right, now let's go from ground, which is on 13, so I'll keep my black probe in, and then we're going to go over to 15. So I'm getting some type of, either an RPM or a pulse width modulated speed signal, which comes from the main board to the fan motor, telling it how fast to turn. RPM is generated by the fan motor back to the board to tell it how fast it's turning. Either way, I've got information being sent along here. It's not 0, in other words. So, and it'll be some average voltage between 1 and 5. This is right in the ballpark. And we will continue this in another video.